Hi, it's Mark from ESHORE again, and I'd like to discuss some of the major issues that I've been coming across with regards to installation of electrical system on boats. If you walk down any marina and look at the shore power connections between the pillar and the boat, you'll see plenty of these type of leads around. These aren't really suitable for marine installations. The IP rating is incorrect. This is an IP rating for the type of fittings that you should have that'll keep out the water. Also, you look at the size of the cable. This is quite light duty cable, whereas against this type of lead, which is a heavy duty cable. If you go and grab the lead, you'll probably find that the lead is quite warm with this type of arrangement, and this can lead to overheating of plug-in fittings and lead to fire as well. Let's talk about MENs and what they do. An MEN is a connection between the neutral and earth to create a reference point to ensure RCDs work. As a boat owner, you need to be aware of where the MEN is, because it does change when you plug into a shore connection. The MEN will be at the shore connection power at the marina, and your boat won't have an MEN connected to it. But if you run a generator and you switch over to generator power, the MEN will need to be at the generator. Now, if your generator hasn't got the MEN connected, the RCDs will not work. As a boat owner, you need to do some maintenance on your electrical system. There's not a lot you can do as a non-licensed electrician, but there's some certain steps you can look at. Probably the one major ones is to look at the earth bonding system for your vessel. Make sure there's no corrosion where the connections to wires are. There's no damage to the wires. And you can easily test this with a multimeter between different components back to the main switchboard and make sure that the ohms resistance is below 0.1 of an ohm. The next thing you can do on a maintenance issue is to have a look at just the general wiring. Is it secure? Are the terminals connected correctly? Nothing's loose. And probably the major one you can do is every year test the RCD just by pushing the button. Now, at a 5-year cycle, you should really look at getting an electrician down to do a thorough inspection of the installation, do installation testing, make sure all the conductors and components installation meets appropriate levels, and that the RCDs are working correctly as per the testing device. Polarity, one of my favourite subjects and why I developed ESHORE. As a boat owner, you need to have a polarity testing device on your vessel as per the standard. This ensures that the cables are connected in the right sequence, and it's to prevent electrocution and fire occurring on your vessel. The installation of lithium batteries is becoming very prevalent within the marine industry, and there are certain issues as a boat owner you need to be aware of. A lithium battery requires a battery monitoring system. This can be either internal to the battery or external to the battery. The issue with internal battery systems is the BMS needs to communicate with other devices such as power conversion equipment, charging systems, cooling, and other batteries in the battery bank arrangement. With an internal system with no external ports, these cannot communicate, and it can run into certain problems like charging batteries while the system is shut down, damage to alternators. So a lot of care needs to be taken into consideration when installing a lithium battery into your vessel. I hope this video was useful to you, and if anyone's got any further questions or wants some more information, please use the email below to contact me. Happy to help.